Just
Okay.
kidding.
Go.
Yeah, ready?
No, just kidding.
Okay,
It's
this
a
is
picture.
fireworks that we got in Washington, and I got a good deal on everything. I paid something like $250. Okay, I got this one here for it's called Laying Down the Law, and it's a good kit. I got it on sale because this guy lost his business, so I got it for $100. But it has everything there, and it's by World Class, so it's really good. I recommend that for $100. It's really, really good. And you can see everything it has there. And this is Snake Chaser. I got this one for $12. It's good. Good deal.
See the eyeballs.
Nice button.
Why? Who is your lovely assistant?
This is my aunt Marina Boom.
What else do you have in your inventory?
In the inventory, we have. Okay, we have from World Class cancer shells. These are really good. I recommend these. I got these ones for $20, so it's a good deal. You can get all these fireworks at Washington. Boom. You can get them in Washington at the Indian Reservation for like really low price, and that's where you get Grizzly brand and all the other brands. And these ones right here, I recommend these ones. They're all good fireworks. I paid for those like $12 each, and all the fountains are good except for like this one here. Where's that fountain? That one is kind of like not good because I opened it up and inside the fountain it has like this thing, just a little fountain. But the rest of the fountains are pretty heavy, as you can see. And in another video I'll go over what each one of these are. But this is a good deal. I got these bricks of spinning blooms with crackle and the report for $3 brick. And yeah, these ones there too. $1 a pack for those. Oh, and this one, don't forget this one. This one came in this right here, and it's called Never Forget. And look,
Twin Towers.
Twin Towers.
La calavera esa que está ahí abajo. Esa de aquí, la roja.
Oh, yeah, got those for $2 for those.
Those are mortars?
Miniature mortars.
La roja.
Yeah, so I got everything like half price deal, but you know they're probably more. I got it off season. I didn't buy it like during 4th of July because it costs like way more.
¿Y esos?
Crackling juice.
¿Qué hay esos?
That's just one. Well, mid estimate. And these fiberglass too.
¿Y este?
Those are mortars.
These are mortars. Oh, here's some.
I just spelled cartoon.
They say 21 on that, but actually $5 for that. That's what I got it for. So you can buy off season.
Any advice, Marina Boom?
Yeah, just don't light them up in the house. And we're gonna go to Washington to light these, so we're all good.